Plus. First, tapping on the home
to get to this area here where you
Plus. First, tapping on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down.
Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, today's tutorial, in other words, you can calibrate or have your device charge at the speed you desire. Alright, so in order to do this, and of course it applies in cases maybe you have like a fast wireless charger and your device is eating up too much and you don't want your device to charge at the fast wireless setting without switching the adapter. So you can basically disable or turn the features on and off. Now let's get straight into it, guys. So let's go ahead, guys, and go into settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down. Once you're going down, you're looking out for a feature that's called device care, as seen here. Top. Now once you tap, you should see here, and this is of course Android 10. Our guide is intended for Android 10. And let's go ahead and hit the battery. Once you're on battery here, you should see charging, and notice right here it gives you two charging options, and in this case mine is set to fast cable charging or fast wireless charging. So in other words, you can disable both fast charging features whether you're on a wireless charging system or you're on a cable system. Most people turn these off in cases they don't want their phone to be fast charged and it's eating up their phone too much. They don't like the feature. So this is a great way without switching your adapter. So as you know, the second way would be to use your adapter, and of course once you do that, the feature will be off, and even if you're charging with a charger with fast cable charging or fast wireless charging, the feature will not engage. Turn it back on. In case you change your mind, just go ahead and tap and the feature will be turned back on. So alright, so that's basically how to turn the feature on and off. Great way to allow your device to charge slower, as some people do not like the fast charging features. Alright guys, so this is Ricardo Garner from Blog Tech Tips. We're going to set a quick tips for Android 10.
Secret setting is
And welcome back.
I just knew I wanted to try out the wirelessly charging, and I knew I had fast wireless charge available right there. And then this guy I ended up buying after I was having issues with the first one that I picked up. So let's go over some of this to make sure you kind of got everything that you need. I'm going to switch some stuff around here so I can make some easy explanations. You gotta love these micro USBs. Yeah, so this one and this one use micro USB. This guy here uses USB-C. Alright, so when I first threw on my phone, you got the charging wirelessly, and yeah, you can see it's there, but it doesn't say anything about fast wireless charge. So the first thing I found out that you have to do after getting your wirelessly charging device is go into settings, go into device care on this Samsung specifically. You got to go into battery and then settings, and then all the way at the bottom you have the fast wireless charging enable. So there's a toggle there that if you switch that, it allows it to fast wireless charge. And then you have your fast cable charging, which is always usually turned on. Okay, so once that's on, then you should be able to wirelessly charge it fast. Now you might be saying, well, this is a fast wireless charge, why didn't it work? Okay, because it's saying right there, charging wirelessly, but it's not fast wireless. And that is because right now this is plugged into a power brick that is not fast wireless charging capable. This guy is fast wireless charging capable. Plug that puppy in, and you'll see the difference. Now it says fast charging wirelessly. And you get a different time. So, two things there. Make sure if your phone has some way to turn off and on fast wireless charging, you got to get in there and turn it on first. And then second, you got to come over and make sure your power brick that this is plugged into has fast wireless charging available to it. And then the last thing, obviously, is your Qi pad needs to be fast wireless charging or wireless charging enable. So you plug this in and you're going to get wireless charging. Okay, no problem. It's charging wirelessly. It says an hour and 29 minutes to full. Even if you buy this and plug in a fast wireless charging power brick, you're still only going to get charging wirelessly. It's not going to give you fast wireless because this pad specifically is not enabled for fast wireless charge. And then this big guy, no matter, it's powered by USB-C. The USB-C is
another video for the Samsung Galaxy Note 7. You can also use this on the other previous Samsung Galaxy devices that does have the fast charging capabilities. So sometimes when you charge your phone, it actually does get a little warm. And so if you would like to make sure that your phone does not get to a certain temperature, or you don't want it to overheat or just get warm in general to the touch, what you'd be able to do is actually turn off the fast cable charging. And you'd also be able to turn off the fast wireless charging. Now, to show you guys exactly where all these settings are at, you'll just be able to put on the notifications panel, click on the settings icon, and then on the Galaxy Note 7, you click right here underneath the device maintenance, which is right there where it says battery. Once you go inside of battery, you will actually click on the battery icon on the very bottom left-hand side. And then on the very top, you go to advanced settings, and this is where you'll be able to turn these things off. So all this does is it actually just charges it at the normal rate, not at the fast charging rate for either wireless or also the cable charging. So if you're not in a hurry, you can definitely turn those things off. Now, if you're looking at it on a different device, let's say the Samsung Galaxy S7, pull on the notifications panel, click on the settings icon, and then you click on battery. Inside of battery, just scroll on down, and this is where you have the fast cable charging. So you'd be able to right there turn it on off, and it's a way to actually conserve the heat, so it's not charging as fast. So I hope this video right here has helped you guys out. Make sure you guys hit on like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.
Plus. First, tap plus. Plus.
To micro USB.
4.5
has gone down.
Holes that screws.
And thank
Holes that
has gone down. And thank you.
No, I can't even get it to. Hello, today we're having a post-apocalyptic emergency. My phone, a toothpick to get, and there was lint, but it did not fix the problem. So then I took out one of my older iPhones, and maybe I could activate that remotely, but apparently you need a SIM card for that too. So we're not going to do that for now. So I did go online to Amazon to purchase a new battery, and they say it's going to take about a week and a half, but we don't really know how long it's really going to take because of the pandemic, and we're not sure that that's going to fix the problem even if I do get the battery and I'm able to install it. So I'm still looking for an answer for today. So I'm searching frantically on YouTube for answers. There's no change, nothing's different about the red battery screen or any indication that it worked. So, but it's not looking too optimistic right now. Oh, no way. So I walked over to it, and here's what happened. Of what might have happened, please put them in the comments below. Of course, the phone is not fixed. This is a temporary situation, and I still need special tools to do that, so I just called it a day, and I left it to recharge in front of my bedroom heater. So then I was sleeping at night, and around 10:30 I heard this thing over here kind of like light up and make a beep, and the room was dark. So I looked over and it was starting to make light. I'm like, whoa, no way. So I walked over to it, and here's what happened. What a relief. I was
What's up, Yugi Nation? It's your boy Enzo from Yugi Tech, and every day to answer that hot topic. Think of your phone as if it were a person. If it isn't doing anything or just chilling, each of these components can generate heat. Chemicals inside your phone's battery creates electricity. The processor transfers information at high speeds like a computer. But unlike computers, our phones don't have fans to cool itself. Some common causes could be overcharging or the use of lithium-ion batteries. Lithium-ion batteries are the best rechargeable batteries right now, but powerful tech often comes with drawbacks. When it comes to overheating, the issue is that lithium-ion batteries age over time. Some causes is when you expose your phone directly on sunlight, since it's commonly known to generate heat. Duh! Other causes is using way too much applications that consume a lot of battery, like games, streaming content like Netflix and YouTube, navigational apps like Waze, since applications like these make your phone exert a lot of work to process, since intense graphics pushes your phone's GPU. Continuous overheating can cause damage to your SoC, which stands for System on a Chip. It is an integrated circuit that contains all the required circuitry and components of an electronic system on a single chip, which means if this chip gets wrecked, this could cause your phone to function poorly. But don't worry, most of our phones have a built-in feature that automatically shuts down when it gets way too hot. But if it doesn't, better get that hot potato checked. And to be safe, we prepared some tips on how to prevent your phone from overheating. Tip number 1, avoid leaving your phone in direct sunlight. Tip number 2, turn off unused apps since it makes your phone work harder. And lastly, tip number 3, lessen your phone's brightness since it generates light. So what do you guys think? Was the video informative? If so, leave a comment down below and don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. It's your boy Enzo, and stay safe.